Hello, welcome back to this section. In today's video, we're going to look at abstraction. Abstraction involves exposing only the necessary details and functionalities while hiding the implementation details. It can be achieved using abstract classes or interfaces. Let's look at some key points in abstract classes or about abstract classes. The first point is abstract classes are declared using the abstract keyword. They can have both abstract and concrete methods. So abstract methods are unimplemented methods, while concrete methods are the implemented methods. Alright. You cannot create an instance of an abstract class directory. Alright. So we can't create an instance of an abstract class directly as we did in our encapsulation. We created an instance of it straight away. Subclasses of the abstract class must provide implementations for all its sub methods. The reason is since we can't really instantiate or create an instance of an abstract directly, we mostly work with them as a subclass to a class, right? So as a subclass, we then have to provide implementations for all its abstract methods, that's all its unimplemented methods. Let's create an abstract class. So the first key point is abstract classes are declared using the abstract keyword. So we go by the keyword abstract, followed by class and the name of the class. I'm going to say vehicle. Alright. Then we will need two unimplemented methods, which is abstract methods. So we're going to, the first method is stop. The first one is stop. Then the next one is move. Okay, so abstract methods don't have bodies. Okay, abstract methods don't have the curly braces, but unless it is a concrete method, then to have an implementation, so to need the body. Okay, so these are abstract methods. Let's create two different, one or two concrete classes which are going to provide implementations for our abstract methods from the vehicle class. So a concrete class is a class with a implementation, right? So class car, then we are going to say extends the vehicle. Alright, so now when we hover over here, you're going to see missing concrete implementations of vehicle.move, vehicle.stop. Try implementing the missing methods or make the class abstract. Okay, so now we have to provide implementation for these two methods. So let's go to quick fix. Just overriding the methods from the abstract vehicle. Alright, so now we just have to provide implementation. So now you can see the methods have bodies. Alright, the curly braces. Alright, so let's print Steven's car is moving. Then we come to the stop. I'm going to say print the car just stopped. Alright, so we've provided implementations for the methods, the abstract methods which were in the vehicle. Alright, so let's try and print these ones. So let's call our main, and we're going to create instance of our car class. Right, so we're going to say vehicle my car is and the instance, so it's going to be car. It's going to be car because you can't use vehicle, and the reason it is accepting vehicle as a type but the actual class is car is because the car has a subclass vehicle, so the vehicle and the classes seem to be intertwined. Okay, so whenever it sees car, it sees it as an vehicle, so car is basically within vehicle, so it's a subclass of vehicle. Right, so we are going to print utilize the methods you have here. So I'm going to say my car dot move. Okay, my car dot stop. So now if I should run, let's see what you get. So you are seeing Steven's car is moving, then the car just stopped. Alright, so this quick to understand. You start with the abstract class vehicle. Then you can also have stopped abstract methods. Of course, you can also have concrete methods, which is methods that are implemented. All right, so let me say void ignition. Okay, this can be implemented. All right, okay, so we can have this method here, which we don't see any error here because it is implemented. All right, so let's see if you can have access to it. So my car dot ignition. Okay, though we did not implement it here, but because it is implemented, we still have access to, because we are extending the vehicle. Okay, so let's this come up here. Okay, so I'll run this. Ignition just started, Steven car is moving, the car just stopped. Okay, so this is it for abstraction. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you've really struggled to understand this concept, and let me know if my explanation or my take on this really helped you. And also, if you are new here, consider subscribing for more programming tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.